Hi, I wanted to go over really quickly about turning in assignments. I've had a lot of questions where it does not show you where to turn in the assignments. Sometimes it does, and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you turn in the assignment as soon as you're finished with it, and other times they ask you to share it with your teacher or um, turn in with your weekly work, and that was not explained very well. So I did want to go over that really quickly. Um, by doing a little research, I found a lot of cool things that I wanted to share. Here you have your courses, but if you go up to to-do list, we were able to find some things. So language arts is one of those classes that asks for weekly work. And if you scroll down, and we had to scroll down pretty far, here we found the Module 19 weekly work. And I won't be able to click on it because they're not completely finished with the things from earlier in the week. But here we can turn in all the work that we did last week. So we would be attaching 3 or 4 or 5 different documents to this one assignment before turning it in. And that was the case, I think, for a couple different ones. We had language, maybe math. And so if it doesn't give you a place to submit your work, check your to-do list to see if there's a weekly work um, link. And then you also could ask your teacher if it still is very confusing. Go ahead and ask your teacher how she wants you to share that with her. Another great feature I thought was this activity stream. If you click on this, once you start your lessons, you will be able to see feedback here from your teacher. She might tell you to redo something for a better grade, or she might give you um, some different kinds of feedback after you turn in your assignment. So I thought that was really great that I was seeing a lot of those come through to help students out, to give them a more personal connection also with their teacher. If you have any other questions, just let me know.